Mga everybody, it's your boy dito tayo sa panibagong video natin guys. Lalaro tayo ng GTA San, GTA 5. Dito goal natin ngayon guys. Senta tayo sa question mark. Dito. Mga babae guys. Kita yung mga babae guys oh. May babae din. May babae. Pangit. Manggaya natin yan. Ang gawin natin dito guys. Guys, hindi natin yung kulay blue. Sabahin natin yung matanda.
Alright, shit, where we going?
Trucks at the Davis Sheriff Impound.
Oh man, how did I get dragged into this?
We both know you've always been sweet on me. Shit, Franklin Clinton.
Shit, your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that shit no more. I mean, I baby dose now and again just for the taste. But I'm doing good, boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Whatever you say, bro.
Maingay. Ala!
Oh, hell. There's Davey's truck. Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie.
Nakabangga pa nga ni. Let's go. Matandang kupal. Sakay tayo sa jeep guys. Wait for Tonya. Ala! It's dead guys! It's dead! Alam mo na, balik. Ano ka? How to get up? Okay. Come here, baby. Ah, matagal talaga si Tonya guys, matagal. Bobo. Bagal.
Alright, shit, where we going?
Okay, let's go.
Trucks at the Davis Sheriff Impound.
Oh man, how did I get dragged into this?
We both know you've always been sweet on me. Shit, Franklin Clinton.
Shit, your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that shit no more. I mean, I baby dose now and again just for the taste. But I'm doing good, boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Whatever you say, girl. Come on.
There's JB's truck. Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie.
Ang goal natin guys is makapunta sa isang spot na kung saan ang gusto pang puntahan ni Tonya. Tara, hinatid natin siya dun guys. Wait lang. Hinatid natin, baka makakulong tayo.
Yo, we on that like ugly on your
Rico.
It's Tommy, fool, and my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Copy that. Hi, Tanya. Car's a joker. Been there for days. 10-7. I'm gone.
A bucket. This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough.
Jesus.
Not easy enough for JB to drag his ass
Why
out of
calling?
whatever crack
Why
house he
calling
laying
at
in.
that, bro?
His loss. Yo gain, sugar.
Except I ain't gaining shit, sugar.
Move that seat back, and you know I'll make it right for you.
That ain't what I'm saying. Damn, Tanya. What the fuck happened to you?
Kaya isang mabilis ang takbo guys. Isang mabilis ang takbo.
Okay, I've seen JB do this 100 times. Back up close. Make sure the hook is down, and it should slide right in. Where the hell are you going?
Ah, left control. Ah! Yan, yung sound yan, no? Ha? Ikarga? Oh. Ah, okay.
Back it up
Okay, guys.
nice and steady.
Ah, dito sa kotse, di ay. Guys, ingatan natin kunin tong kotse. Sira, guys. Sirang kotse, guys. Kunin natin.
Okay, we are in, baby.
Okay na.
Let's
Buhat
get
na.
this back to the lobby.
Aldo.
Hey, this was not how I saw my day going.
So
Ito
I ain't
pala
seen
yung
you around
goal natin, guys.
much.
Buhatin natin
I've
yung
been
sirang
trying
kotse,
to
guys.
branch out. Can't stay in Chamberlain Hills forever.
Franklin. Oh, nigga got airs now. I remember you before you was a wannabe when you just was.
And I remember you and JB before y'all was dopehead. Shit changed.
You the one all turfed up. JB smoking, but he ain't smoking homies. He out here grinding, towing cars, paying bills.
For real. Because I could have sworn it was me out here towing cars for him.
Sorry, guys. Baka
And
na
looking
mag-drive.
damn
Nakalat.
fine doing it too, baby. Okay, we make the drop where they got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place. Watch it, Franklin. Gonna be none of that car left. Yeah. You know how I like it. Okay, you got it. Release that baby. I'll see you on the block. Anything you need, you holler at me.
Okay, guys. Natapos na natin yung goal, guys. Alert. What the heck? Alert daw. Oh, mission pass. Paldo! Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. So, kung may growth magagawin tayong kakapapalagan. Watch. Watch me. Yeah. Okay. Since natapos natin yung goal, guys, may gagawin din kapapalagan. Okay, let's go. Tingnan nyo. Tapos na natin yung ating pakinabangan. Ay, hindi pwede. Pwede, guys. Hindi pala pwede patayin, guys. Hindi, guys. Sayang. Okay. Kasi ko dito. Ibang ko na naman. Hanggang dito na lang yung video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Mission tapos. Yan na to sa loob.